or Find X8 Pro from Trading Shenzhen without any additional cost. And a huge discount already in Trading Shenzhen, an additional discount code in the description, so you could get all kinds of discount from that brand new 2025 Find X8 Pro Oppo Hasselblad experience. I already unboxed it. I have to be honest with you. I lost the whole footage. I have plastic on it, or written plastic. It was the full experience, and my SD card just broke. I have to buy another one, and the whole footage is gone. So it's like a second unboxing, but still, let's continue. Satisfaction. And immediately, we do have an Oppo logo with a very nice grey layout. And in here, we do have a case, of course. And with the case, we do have a manual. In China, some advertisement for Oppo Watch, Oppo Pad, Oppo Echo X, and even more. Oppo Pad, alright. SIM card tool, and the case itself. And like I said, I already unboxed it, so it's a bit dusty. But this is a black ash case. Looks nice. As with that special material, it's not slippery at all. Well, let's put it aside and let's take a juicy device. It's juicy. All right, look at the presentation. How cool is that? I like it. I like the white plastic. It's a simple thing, but it's cool. What else do we have inside? Check out the presentation. How brilliant that is. Well, and smell. Ooh. All right, this is the 80-watt charger. Of course, there's a converter in the box included. And I'm living in Central Europe, so I have a European one. If you live in UK or US, you will get a appropriate converter. All you need to do is just bam, and then you go. All right. Also, a cable, USB type A to a C cable. All right. Let's put all those aside. Okay. Wow. Satisfaction. It's gray color, maybe a little bit of titanium. Well, let me put a little bit of light to it. There you go. Wow. Feels soft in the hand. On the side, we do have a similar color signs, a little round, not too much. That's a dedicated shutter slider, like an iPhone 16 Pro, but it is a bit longer. We do have a power button on, well, it is very high for me. Well, way higher than it should be. I think it should be a bit lower. And the volume button is out of reach, basically. I can put it down. I think I can reach it, but I have to you know what I mean. ER blaster, 2 microphones. That's super cool. On the left, we have a physical slider, 3 position, mute, silent, and normal. And on the top, the bottom, well, it all depends on the view. SIM card tray, microphone, USB Type-C, 2 antennas, most likely microphones, and a speaker. And of course, cameras. Let me pull back, because we lose focus. Check this out. Check out the Hasselblad cameras. Wow, that is impressive, big, chunky camera. The amount of sensors is also great. That's the hole for the microphone. What can I say? Hasselblad. It feels very nice in the hand. And with the case, which will change the color to ash black, it will protect the cameras all around. And with... is it correct? It looks bent a little bit. Well, just an illusion, but it looks bent with that case. We do have a lot of coverage on the corners. Basically, it's all around, but sides are just like 1 millimeter, and the corners 2 or 3 millimeters. It looks bad, isn't it? Like, it's alright. That's just an illusion. But that's okay. It feels very nice in the hand. Fingerprint sensor. Bam! It is quick. And you can see a sugary effect. Well, this is a Chinese version. Someone left, instead of Google News, we have some widgets which we can customize, delete it, or whatever you want to do with it. Well, if you want Google News, you will have to hit the app, and then you will have a Google News. I'm in Poland, so this is oh wow, one of my videos. This is in Polish, but if you live in a country, you will have a different Google News. Well, different language. But you know, it is smooth. 120 Hertz. Let's hit about the device, and about the device, there you go. MediaTek Density 9400. 5910 mAh battery, 12 GB of RAM, which could be extended to another RAM, but this is a silicon carbon battery, so something new, something different. Silicon carbon. Is this going to be the best battery in the world? Well, I'm gonna find out. 80 watt charging and 50 watt wireless charging, display, warranty, and color OS. This is a 256 GB version. Like that. Anyway, agree to continue. Check that out. Different colors. Okay, that's just a color. What about live ones? I like live ones. Wow. I like the gold one. Oof. Oh, there's more. Oh, there's a classic ones. I wonder, do we have that relaxing app? Screen resolution. Yes, we do have. And we can go ultra high or adaptive. I don't want adaptive. I want ultra high. And screen refresh rate. I don't want it on auto. I want 120 all the time. Or you can do a specific refresh rate for the app if you wanted to. And we're not gonna see every one of them. Ooh, I like this one. Damn. There's also sand and snow. I like the green one. Oof, juicy one. Going directly to a camera. We're gonna go all the way to 4K 60 frames per second and in front-facing camera. Full angle of my arm. Did I left my keys? Yes, I did. That's not a good idea. Just let's continue. Do we have autofocus in front-facing camera? We don't, though. So there's no macro in the front-facing camera. Is it going to overexpose the sky? It will, and I'm out of the frame. Should compensate. Should. It will compensate or not? Oh, it is compensating, but it's very really? It's so slow? Again? Cool. Alright, let's move to the wide angle. And in a wide angle lens. We have a big buildings. Do we have macro in the wide angle lens, video stabilization, and macro? Yes, we do. And you can see all kinds of details. All kinds. That is super cool. Vlogging style, you're gonna vlog from the smartphone, this is how it's going to look like. But it has that slider on the top. And it's, yeah, I'm always touching that slider, so I'm not sure did I change something in the camera. This slider is too big. If the slider was a little bit, a tiny shorter, like an iPhone, it'd be much better. It's like too long. Too long. Maybe not too big, but too long. Let's continue. Let's continue to the main lens. And with the main lens, autofocus, is it available? Yes, it is. It's a bit slow. Well, maybe not slow, but gentle. It is gentle. Why do you need autofocus? For example, if you want to have a bokeh effect, just like that, you see? That is just cool and beautiful. All right, video stabilization and telephoto. But where can we do telephoto? All the way to 18x in a video department. And if we go to the photo, we can go all the way to 120x, which is outstanding. Can we take a picture? All right, we can. It's not super stable. Alright, take a couple of pictures. And let's see those pictures. Is the AI gonna... Yes. The AI... Not too much AI, no. There's no AI in the maximum zoom like in the Vivo. Oh, no, okay, there is. We'll just have to wait a little bit, yeah. There it is. So maybe it's time to take some photos. Wow, I like the quality. 16 front-facing camera is just tight.
There's a star waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. There's a star waiting in the sky. He's told us not to blow it, 'cause he knows it's all worthwhile. He told me, let the children lose it. Let the children use it. Let all the children boogie. I never felt that I would find someone that I can't resist. It's my biggest question, heaven is I will never get. I see affection and I go attention.
Conclusion. So if you tap it twice on that slider, then you can slide. Wow. Okay, I take it back. It's better than on the iPhone. The slide experience is just wow. I know why it's so long now. Wow, you need that space to make it smooth a slide. Wow. And if you tap it, it will take a picture. And if you hold it, find me a smartphone in the market which could do that with such a speed. Damn! Hasselblad. Wow. I think every inch of the software is designed to make it better. And I definitely want to test that battery. Carbon battery. And we're gonna do it on the live stream in the next video, or maybe next one, because the OnePlus coming soon. And we're gonna compare that device to a OnePlus. We're gonna compare it to a Vivo X200 Pro. I'm talking about the cameras. And we're gonna compare it to the Xiaomi. All the flagships, all the important flagship in the world at the moment. And maybe even Ultra. Maybe. Not sure about the Ultra, but my battery life is coming down with my camera. So like, subscribe, and wow, they're all heavy. See you next video.